The impossible goal has completely changed my life, and being able to set an impossible goal for yourself starting for 2021 will make it so at this time next year, you will be a completely different person. So the impossible goal is a goal that you don't really yet believe in. It's a goal that you're not sure how to do, but you would love to achieve it. It would be amazing if you could achieve it. But it also has to be a goal that you're willing to go after 5,000%. So many of you only will do things based on what you've done in the past. You'll only say, okay, I'm only going to do things I know how to do. So someone has to tell me how to do it. Or it's something that I've already done that somebody already told me how to do that I already know how to do. And that's why many of you never create any new things in your life, any new success, because you only want to do the sure thing. All the people that create new things, all the people that break barriers and glass ceilings and make achievements that have never been made before don't know what they're doing. They have to figure out how to make progress by actually going out there and doing something. When you set a possible goal for yourself, you never find out where your limit is. You never find out what you're capable of because you're always stopping short of what you're already capable of. So you're just rinsing, repeating what you're already doing, and you're not creating any progress. The impossible goal sets you up to see where your limit is. So when you set an impossible goal for yourself, you are already in the position of pushing yourself beyond what is currently possible. If you want to be one of those people, when people ask you how you are and you say, fine, and then just keep doing what you're doing. If you want to have an extraordinary life, you need to set an impossible goal that makes you reach and stretch and fail. Progress is made not by winning, it's made by attempting. Every attempt that you make is progress because you learn from it. You learn what works, you learn what doesn't work, you learn what you're made of, and you get stronger. So if you're staying in indecision and inaction and stagnation and calling that an impossible goal and failing at it, you're doing it wrong. You need to be actually taking action. You need to be actually out there in the world doing something, creating something that is creating a result. And as you create results, they're not going to be necessarily the results that you want to be creating. They're not necessarily going to be successes, but those attempts are moving you closer to the knowledge of how to get something done. How do you achieve an impossible goal? I don't know, but you will start making attempts and you will learn how to do it. And you know when you'll know how to do it? When you've done it. So you have to decide, like, do you want to be the person that's out on that leading edge, that's out there being creative, that's out there creating and failing so you can produce and make a contribution? Or are you going to be one of the people that's waiting around or complaining that they're not creating the thing that you want fast enough? So many scholars set those impossible goals and have blown their own minds. The only difference between you and them is they didn't give up. That's it. Just don't give up.